National Weather Service. The National Weather has issued 6:05, effective until 11 p.m. Counties in New Jersey, Atlantic, Burlington, Cape May, Delaware Bay Water south of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware. For the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. Severe weather may not be imminent. Persons should remain alert for rapidly statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio. Tornado watch number 605 has been issued from 3:15 p.m. until 11 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey. Slaughter Beach, Delaware, and Delaware Bay Water south of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware.